Hello, let's practice English. Today, we learn about cleaning and daily chores. Listen and practice with us.
Oh no! Look at the common room.
It is very messy. There are books and jumpers on the sofa.
And there are dirty teacups on the table.
Hello, boys. Wow, the room is very untidy. Yes, it is. And Mr. Clark is coming to inspect it. Oh, no.
The housemaster? When is he coming? What are we going to do?
He is coming in 10 minutes. We must clean the room now.
Okay, let's tidy up together. I can wash the dirty cups.
Thank you, Mia. I can sweep the floor.
And I can put away the books and fold the jumpers.
Oh, the sink is full of cold water. I am washing the cups now.
Toby, where is the broom? I need to sweep the floor.
The broom is in the tall cupboard.
Nori.
Sorry? Could you repeat that, please?
The broom is in the cupboard, next to the door.
Ah, I see it. I am opening the cupboard. I have the broom.
The table is wet. Toby, can you wipe the table?
Yes, I have a cloth. I am wiping the table now.
The floor is very dirty. There is a lot of dust. I am sweeping hard.
I am putting the jumpers in the lost property box now.
Good idea. The sofa looks tidy again.
Oh dear, look at the rubbish bin. It is completely full.
I am taking the rubbish bag out.
Be careful, Leo. The bag is very heavy.
You are right, it is heavy. Can you hold the door for me, please?
Yes, I am holding the door open.
I am finishing the table. The table is clean and dry.
The cups are clean too. I am putting them back in the cupboard.
I am back. My hands are cold from the outside wind.
Look at the time. It is exactly 3 o'clock.
The room looks wonderful. We worked very fast.
Shh. I hear footsteps in the hallway. Someone is opening the door.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mr. Clark.
I am here to inspect the common room. Let me look around.
The floor is swept. There are no jumpers on the sofa. And the sink is empty. Excellent work, everyone. Excellent work, everyone. Keep up the good work. Have a nice afternoon.
Thank you, sir. We tidy up every day.
Phew, that was close. That was close. We are a great team.
Great job, everyone! You learned lots of new words today. What did Leo use to clean the floor? What did Leo use to clean the floor? Tell me your answer in the comments. Also, what is your least favorite chore to do at home? See you next time!